Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I've noticed that I've never did a proper introduction to my build or even the channel in particular. If you're someone who watches my videos consistently, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. And if you're new here, my name's Tristan. I have an A90 Supra. I'm going to be building it. I ordered some parts this week. They should be coming next week, so I'll have some more install videos. And really the goal here is just to have fun, work on cars, go to car meets, meet a bunch of new people, and just kind of have fun with my friends. I have already done a couple install videos, nothing major, just a few small things, just to give it a little bit of a better appearance. I'll link those videos down below in the description, and I'll also put a little tag right up here in the corner. The first one is a video of me and my girlfriend putting on a spoiler that I picked up from one of my friends. The most recent one was me replacing the reflectors with some color matched ones. So if you like that sort of content, go check out those videos, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. If you're more into the car edits and the car meets and all of the cinematics and b-roll that I've been making, I'll link those down in the description as well, and I'll be posting those in and out of all the install videos. Tomorrow I'll be going out with one of my friends to shoot a video of his car. He has a E46 M3. We're going to be shooting probably in a parking garage. I'm going to try and get some videos of my car. So I'm going to try and video the whole process of that going on. And keep your eyes out next week for that next install. I'm going to be fixing up the subwoofers in my car. If you don't already know, the Supras come with a sub box that doesn't work to its full potential. So I'm going to be adding some ports and some foam to make it better sounding and to make the bass a little bit louder. If there's any other videos you'd be interested in checking out, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see. I'd like to make more content for you. I've been really enjoying everything that I've already put out, and I want to keep putting stuff out. So if you could drop a like on the video, help me out with the algorithm, and let me know what you like seeing the best. Again, thank you to everyone who already watches consistently and is already subbed. But if you're not, hit that sub button now and keep your eyes out for the next video. I'll see you in the next one.